Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the project and Git commits flow cleanly. Open Android Studio, enable version control integration and select Git. This wires IDE actions to the repository. Once done, generate an SSH key pair with SSH keygen and copy the public key into your GitHub account for secure pushes. Make sure Git is on path so Android Studio can call it. This combination avoids password prompts and sets the exact route your code will travel to GitHub. Next, link your local project to the remote repository and make the first commit. After creating the empty GitHub repo, copy its SSH clone URL. In Android Studio, go to VCS, Git, Remotes and add origin using that SSH URL. Then use commit or commit and push, stage changes, craft a concise commit message, and push to origin main or master. If Android Studio prompts for SSH agent access, allow it so future pushes are seamless and automated within the IDE. Finally, adopt a branching workflow and know how to recover when things go wrong. You should create feature branches inside Android Studio and push them to origin, then open pull requests on GitHub for review. Once approved, fetch and merge or rebase from the IDE so history stays clean. If a push fails, check your SSH key and remote URL, run git fetch and inspect status. Resolve conflicts locally, commit, then push again. This single flow keeps activity traceable and reduces integration surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.